Okay, so this is the Fiskars Xact weed puller. So that's the Fiskars Xact. It is a fantastic little product simply because you don't have to bend down to get the weeds. It's got these prongs, so once you go into the dirt with the prongs and then stand on it, those prongs will grab hold of the root system, and then you pull the weed out, and then when you've got it out, you get rid of the whole lot. See? It's like loading a shotgun. We've got a broadleaf weed here. I've been watching this grow for quite some time, and I don't really like it watching that happen, but the reason I let it grow is because I wanted to do this video. The ground is very, very hard here. I don't look after that ground particularly, so I've got no idea whether this will go in it or not, but we'll soon find out. So hit the center of the weed, push it down. It's actually going in quite well. Hold your foot down.
Yeah, because you do.
Pull the weed out. Look at that. There it is. And then if you've got a little bucket or something, you'd get rid of it.
Whoa.
See? Yeah, thank you, Heidi. So yeah, an effective little tool. If you've got some really big weeds in the lawn and it's not being looked after quite so well, it's great. If you've got finely manicured surfaces, this will dig up the ground a little bit, but it's mainly for areas such as garden beds and stuff like that. But if you don't want to use herbicides on your lawn, this is a great option. What I really do like about it is that one of these points is actually fixed. So if you notice, when I go back, that one is fixed, and this is metal here. It's not plastic or anything like that. That mechanism is just a fantastic feature. And then afterwards, it's just so quick. Pretty good stuff. Check it out, they're $74, Fiskars Xact. I think you can get them at Bunnings. I'll put a link in the description anyway. Get your lawn on.